The National Weather Service in Blacksburg has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Wilkes County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Watauga County in northwestern North Carolina, southeastern Ashe County in northwestern North Carolina, until 3:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 2:18 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Cascade Falls, or over Deep Gap, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include North Wilkesboro, Rhonda, Trap Hill, Glendale Springs, Deep Gap, McRady, and Wilbar.